How to change your password on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change your password on the UpScrolled application using your smartphone. So the first thing to do is to launch open UpScrolled application on your device and wait for the home page. After logging in, from the home screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile section, click on the gear button at the top right, and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings, tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, tap on Change Password. Now enter your current password in the first field. After you do that, head over to the next field and type in a new password you want to change to for your account. While typing down a new password, make sure the criteria matches at the bottom and finally click Save at the bottom right. Now you have successfully changed your login password for UpScrolled. Next time while logging in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.